Let's go ahead and discuss what makes an attractive offer for influencers. Influencers are likely to be contacted by many brands, so you'll need an offer that aligns with their interests to really stand out. An attractive value proposition for influencers compensates them for their work, whether that be through a performance-based fee, a set price, or a percentage of the profits from the sales. They will also look for brand collaborations that offer value to their audience. This means they'll choose brands that'll directly appeal to their followers. Being able to offer a discount code or prizes as part of a campaign helps influencers keep their audience engaged by giving something back. There are 3 key elements to creating an attractive offer for influencers: a strong value proposition, personalization, and a clear, well-structured proposal. Make sure your brand value proposition is clear before reaching out. How much are you willing to spend? How many products are you willing to offer? Making these decisions up front will help you come up with a compensation model that is mutually beneficial for both brand and influencer. You want to strike a balance between offering an attractive incentive without going over budget. Second, you'll want to really personalize your messaging. A personalized offer can be as simple as referring to an influencer's most recent content or mentioning how much you value their creativity. But with tools like Upfluence, you're able to access and use a deeper level of personalization and create an outreach process that really resonates with each influencer. Consider an influencer's profile or their bio. It gives you insight into their lives, location, family, interests, and so much more. Let's now discuss the structure of your outreach. So when it comes to writing the outreach message itself, make sure it's well structured and clear with your offer incorporated. You'll want to introduce yourself and invite the influencer to collaborate with your brand. Explain how the influencer aligns with your niche market, and then make your value proposition by crafting a compelling offer. Emphasize how valued your influencer would be and explain that they would have creative freedom because they know how to engage with their audience the best. And lastly, keep the discussion going. Encouraging and fostering a long-term relationship is beneficial to the brand and influencer. Opportunities for future campaigns never need to end when you've found the right partner. Let's go ahead and discuss some tips for influencer negotiation. When starting influencer negotiations, you should always aim for influencer partnerships to be mutually beneficial. This is why we call this a collaboration. Make sure your requests are reasonable. Remember, the more you offer, the more incentive influencers will have to perform better. Make sure to set the tone. You'll want to make your offer first. Do not wait for the influencer to set a price. Upfluence's price tool can help guide you when making your offers. The suggested price takes into account the influencer's following size and engagement rate. It's important to keep in mind that offering a small upfront payment for signing on is a great way to recruit effectively. If you try this method, remember, rates will vary for all influencers. Rates could vary by season, where the influencer is located, the industry they're in, and even their affinity to your brand. If your initial rate is rejected, negotiate for different kinds of content within the same price you offered. For example, say you offered $200 for an Instagram reel, and the influencer rejects. Now, offer the influencer the same amount for an in-feed photo post. The offer takes much less time for the influencer to put together, and you'll have the same audience reach. There are a few things to keep in mind when creating your influencer contract. Setting up an influencer contract is an important milestone in finalizing the partnership. Setting out a contract makes sure that everyone is aligned on expectations. They're designed to protect the interests of both brand and influencers by addressing issues such as payment terms, cancellation terms, exclusivity, and compliance. Your contract should include all the details influencers need to know about your brand and the campaign. Make sure to provide good insight into your brand values and what your campaign is all about. Summarize your campaign. What is the campaign for? What are you promoting? Is it an exclusive launch? Is this a holiday campaign? All of these questions are perfect to answer in your contract. Make sure to explain all the deliverables you expect from your influencer. including the social media platform you expect them to post on, the content type, and number of posts. You'll want to provide all details of content execution. How are the influencers going to fulfill your expectations? Lay it all out there for them in this contract. Include your hashtags, brand mentions, discount codes, all the information you want them to relay to their following. With Upfluence's campaign management tool, you can send your influencer a contract in just one click. If the influencer agrees to your offering and all conditions in your contract, they'll be prompted to agree to your terms and conditions in order to move forward with the campaign. For many companies, this is the exact assurance they need to sign on to a partnership.